Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're working on a 2008 Honda Odyssey. Customer called up and basically said he wanted me to come over just to prove his vehicle was just done for. Of course, I was optimistic about it. He just had a few repairs done at a local shop. Alternator went bad. Then it went bad a second time. The shop told him, hey, there's oil leaking onto the alternator. They warranted it, but only if you did the valve cover. So they went ahead and did a valve cover. So that's where we're at. We just did a scan. We're looking at battery voltage failure, ECM, PCM related failure, etc. But we're going to look at the transmission, because his drive light was flickering on. The little green drive light's just flicking. So at this point, we're thinking it could be a bad transmission. So we're going to go in, we're going to go in and look at the code. And I actually already researched the actual sensor and I know where it's located at. This sensor right here that controls the P0843 transmission fluid pressure switch. So there's a pressure switch on these that can go bad. I may not be able to show you other than, see that heater hose right here? This heater hose right underneath of there's a sensor. I'm not gonna go get my camera down there. I'm gonna reach my hand back there. Okay, the sensor's not even plugged in. Hold on a second. It must have got unplugged when they did the valve cover gaskets. I just snapped it back in. So obviously that's a problem. Let's go back to this screen here. We're going to clear out the codes. Okay, the code cleared out. It may have affected the ABS too. I'm not sure. Okay, one ABS code stayed in there. TPMS reset. Sensor logic failure. Okay, well that wasn't his complaint anyway. Let's go in here and start the vehicle up. We're going to put it into drive. As you can see, the driver light is not blinking. Problem solved, folks. This is 99% common sense. If your car was just worked on recently and you got something totally different just happens out of the blue, do your research and due diligence. Make sure that the actual sensor is plugged in before you plan to repair. If somebody's diagnosing this car and they don't check that, they might tell you, hey, you got a bad transmission. Get a second opinion if they say that. But this car has 154,000 miles on it. My customer was about to purchase a new vehicle. Now they don't have to. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my station. I'll be putting on plenty of videos like this on that can keep people on the road again.